sandwiches with me. I'm gonna let you check out this new tape I just did.
Hey, yo, I'm rolling with y'all, man.
Alright. Put that tape. Check this out, man.
How long you been working on it?
Last night. Check this out.
Yo, that sounded kind of dive.
Damn, can't come the cops again, man.
Word?
Dang, you better pull over, man.
Alright, I'm gonna pull over.
Fuck they want.
How'd that pull over? Yo, Vin. Put the Benzie box under the seat. Pull up. Yo, you got a problem?
You got a problem with blasting that damn music?
My fault, man.
My fault, my ass. If I catch you playing that shit again, I'm gonna give you a fucking noise pollution ticket.
Yeah, alright, whatever.
Yeah, alright. Now get your punk ass out of here. Nah, see, man, they just playing themselves, man. Okay, man, crank that shit.
Yeah, hand me that radio, man.
Word. Strike a nerve. Yo, Tretch, there was some bitch in the seminar talking about you had to get up early to wax.
Some other motherfucker said you couldn't even wax that dirty bitch. So what's up, yo?
Strike a nerve.
I get my daily dose of ta-ta-ta and shut the fuck up, ho. Shit shaving, babe, a day, then I must go. This is every day, all day, let's all say. Fucking them up and roughing them up and fucking them up always. Bet, let's talk about a backflash, a jackass, that fashion, bash with a mash, a fast rap. And even though you didn't know me before, the flow solo is no slow way to go. Bolos I throw or so, let's pick a bitch to pick with. Peekaboo, I see you through your crew, now what you wanna do? After that, caps off to the black frost. My pants always sag cause I rap my ass off. You wanna talk about a bad boy, sad choice? I'm bad as they come chump and nasty like Jazz Joyce. I'm too rough to be touched, I'm buck wild. I hit your bing 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 straight up ricochet rabbit style. To Ben Rock and KG, I'm the baby. Dropping a lady, scraping maybe I've the right to be lazy. Got my stretch in my swing in the stretch of a chicken wing. The flavor's bathing and it's craving it's ice cream. I'm too trucked to be fucked and too live otherwise. If drive-bys small forward to the mother, my brother eyed. Running and coming, drummer, staying with a still look. I'm leaving so many love to use your head as a braille book. Many friendships in quick fast. It'll take $1 worth of gas to outlast your little tired ass. You try to swing this way, you little swifty. Slum bitch, you still make me chill. I do the thumping, humping, clapping like thunder. And that's coming from a land down under. Sick of this shit, man. Niggas trying to cut V-Rock's nuts. Yo, they trying to make us drop V-Rock, saying he don't rock enough. Yo, kick that shit.
Prepare for the worst. Cause I ain't living lost. I wouldn't just give a fuck cause living is free. And my fucks cost. I'll never get lost in the sauce cause I know my way. I've been there before, maybe 5, 6 times a day. Sometimes I put my hands on my head when I'm done from. And wonder to myself where did that shit come from? And then I think about the naughty and the nature in it. And then the flavor, then the figures while I'm flowing with it. So I won't give up, stop, start, quit, you kidding? You can't touch this, fuck with it, it's road written. I got tracks better known as snaps, fall forbidden. And oh boy, do I know how to make it fit 'em. I take a head, I make it spread and I lay back. I tell you once, I tell you twice, Vinny don't play that. So don't start, no more beat, none is the lesson, folks. I hate cigarettes, but my Smith & Wesson smokes. From anywhere, from any corner, anytime, that's right. Who you bashing, I go blast in broad daylight. You stand hard, you look hard, yeah, you figure soft. I got enough drop from buckshots in niggas' court. You say you came closer to taking me out close, huh? In that case, you should've named your album Almost. I wouldn't rely on the try if I were you, yo, cause I'm turning tries into uh-ohs and hell knows. I wouldn't be caught dead with you up and trying this. And if I was gone, I'd get my stiff ass up and rip shit. I can't go out like a wooden sock with padlocks. I leave tracks tiny and slimy like snot spots. I write all day to me. It's a common cape. I say so much shit. I ought to write my rhymes on toilet paper. Yeah, V-Rock, backbone naughty by nature. You know what I'm saying? That's right. So everybody sleeping on me, yo. Stay on your mark. Yeah.
We gonna stop this time. You know what I'm saying? Well, yo, I'm a yoga joker by his neck, and we gonna stop straight through the night. Look whose mother's in the studio, 30 sons and daughters. Missing 7 fingers in the back, pitching quarters. Come and try to run with it, never in a lifetime. 30 M's could have the season, still I bet I get mine. I heard your girl's having a baby, now what will she have? A bag of dope, a bottle of crack, or a sex bag? There ain't no part of me with sorry written on it slick. You couldn't rock a crooked cradle, you fucking prick. The way I rock her shit, you just also like it. My style so fat, I had to throw it on a water diet. Well shit, you're not, I ain't the type to be fucking with, wrecking with. And if my mic consistent, I'll be necking it. Onslaught at an encore, you stinking rat. You so dumb, you tried to buy a fucking thinking cap. Now that tells us in a sec right where your head is at. In between some bitches' legs, licking at the lap. My name is Tretch, remember this and don't you ever fess. That's a shame, I get 2 minutes just to say next. Fuck who follows you, you and them could help each other. I treat you both like any other motherfucking runner. This is the flavor, tasty all sugar free. So have a coke, have a smile, and have a booger, G.
Why? Cause you don't mean shit to me. I'll take and put you where good shit's meant to be. I rock around, that'll be a straight up death track. Dropping more shit than White Castles and X-Lax. The studio to me is just a chance to rock, G. I rock and rock, hot damn, call me Vin Rocky. That's just what the fuck I'm talking about. I say one thing and your whole crew's walking out. So to the lyric theater, this is one lyric less. If I were you, I'd take and throw him on his fucking neck. Some thinking flow should come straight from the horse's mouth. Mr. S dead, so his ass is the best way out. Shit meant for hire, this hitman is the law. I run my tracks in a San Francisco trolley car. Prepare for the wear and tear, oh yeah. I could write your fucking album and you still be the last one there. I start to heat up and rip shit and won't cheat. You couldn't get a heart if the odds was on Broad Street. So don't you ever never tell me I'm not good enough. I got more stuff than a teddy bear from Master Gus. This is a style that you can never outlast. If bullshit was worth a dime, you have a job in a cow's ass. Setting the record straight for the 90s.
No more talking, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, it's time to stop feeling sorry for y'all little suckers. We take it on, y'all.
Word up, even if it's a lie, you know what I'm saying?
Knuck 'em up, put 'em up, no swing.
Rock this, you know what I'm saying? Word up, Unity by Nation, Unity's there.